I'm Karen Heidler. As a Florida Watercolor Society signature member, I'd like to invite you to the convention in St. Petersburg, Florida this September 19th through the 21st. I'm going to be doing a demo called chiaroscuro in watercolor. I'm going to show you how to create those really dark backgrounds by using different layers, as well as retaining the whites of your paper to create that dramatic atmosphere. So I hope you can make it to the convention in September, and I'd love to meet you at my demo. See you there.